What's up guys, my name is Able G. In case you don't know, you are all welcome to my channel officially. So today I decided to challenge myself very differently. I decided to do something very crazy, at the same time very scary. This may be a very small deal for you guys, but for me it is a very big deal for me. So today I decided to do it. I decided that enough is enough. I want to try this thing once and for all. What will happen will happen, what will be. So but before I continue, I want to take you guys to the location. Let's go. What if some of the roller coaster rails are very rusty and may break off while on motion? What if the protector of the roller coaster is not that strong enough to hold me? What if the risk in this is not even worth the fun or the pleasure I'm going to get out of it? Then I asked myself one more question. But what if this would be one of the best moments of my life? So I decided to engage myself on some other similar activities related to riding a roller coaster, so I can prepare myself emotionally, physically, spiritually, mentally, and every other alley you may think of.
Oh my God! What is this? Whoa! 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 Man! Well, the most scary part of it is coming down. So guys, I'm about to do this. Hope it all goes well. Wish me luck. Oh my god, my heart is really pounding so bad, so bad, so bad. Can I do this? Oh, this is insane. This is crazy. 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 Man. What? Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my god. Damn, this is very crazy. Oh my god. My guy, this is very insane. It's very insane. So crazy. What? But it feels good. Damn. Wow. Oh my god. I'm short of words, I'm speechless.
Wow, that's so crazy and insane. For the first few seconds, I was very scared. But after some seconds, I started enjoying it. The feeling is something else. I would definitely add this in the list of my best moments. So I want to say this. If there's anything in this life that you've been trying to do so hard, you've been trying to do this for a very long time, but you're so scared to do it. You're so scared to do it. You keep on talking yourself out of it. You keep on questioning yourself. You keep on giving yourself so many unrealistic reasons why you shouldn't do so. Just stop it. It's very unhealthy to your body. Just think of one positive reasons why you should do so, like I did earlier. And just believe that, just go ahead and do it. The best things in life are on the other side of fear. Believe in yourself. Love your fear and make love to your fear. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate if you have watched this far. And if you like this video, click the like button below and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys later. Au revoir.